how's it going? This is Country Boy Auto Supply. We're in the lab and I am your country boy guiding you on this quest to horsepower. So tonight we're in here finishing up some modifications to the fuel system. I got the Walbro 450 installed. I got the lines replaced, 6 AN lines. Got the 750cc injectors in. Everything is mounted up, new O-rings and new spacers to the fuel rail, so it's mounted up. I modified the fuel rail so that it's 6 AN output instead of, whatever it was. A couple more things to do to that, but, we got the plumbing done. It's mechanically put together. It's time to start wiring this beast up. And, well, we're not going to use any of the Nissan wiring anymore on this. I like the way it looks so much without it in the hood. I don't even want to tuck it and try to hide it and know that it's somewhere else looking crazy. So we're going to make the whole harness from scratch, and some people might sound a little complicated too. I'm kind of used to doing this, so I'll make a nice, simple, free-flowing harness for this car that you probably won't even see when we get done. So enough talking about it, and I'm going to come cut the main camera off, leave the time lapse rolling for a while, and y'all see what it looks like when I'm done. Holla. So we done got this party started. I got the fuel injectors wired up, and I got the starter system wired up, and I've checked behind myself with my with my VOA meter. And one tip for anybody: it don't really matter what kind of VOA meter you use. Always check behind your wiring with that. If you don't know how to check behind your wiring with a VOA meter, learn how to do that, then go back and start wiring. But stop wiring right away. I know y'all see me put some sticky aluminum foil on it maybe. Wonder what the hell was I doing, but that's just a small measure to protect against heat and fuel and any little things like that. So, I'm going to get back to wiring and see what I can do more on this, see what I can get through the firewall and what I need else to satisfy the computer. So, in the meantime, y'all keep checking it out.